Hi, I'm Phil and this is Filling in the Blanks. Today we're going to talk about how to protect your Starlink Mini. I've seen many times on Facebook people asking how to do that, and I've seen way too often the replies of being, you don't have to, it's outdoor rated. Well, that's not the case for everybody. So today we're going to go over some options for you on how to actually protect your Starlink Mini. So let's first talk about why I want to protect my Starlink Mini. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this on camera or not, but I have a gouge here, one right next to it, several other blemishes along the way. And this has happened in my first few months of owning it. I'm storing this in a laptop bag because it fits nicely in it, but I also have other cables and adapters that are in there as well. And during transit, they rub, and this is what's happened. That's for the gouges. The blemishes was just simply from being outside and actually using it. So I want to be able to protect this for my everyday use while camping. So that's one reason for wanting to protect it. The second is the environment that you're in. If you haven't seen my video on how to mount this in a side-by-side, check it out, because that gives you another example of why you just can't leave these alone. You have to be cautious of how they're mounted and how exposed they are to the elements. Because again, the answer of not protecting your Starlink Mini really depends on your use case. If I'm traveling on my side-by-side in the bush, that's certainly a very different use case than taking this and throwing it out in the middle of a field when you're camping. So let's go over a couple of options of how to protect your Starlink Mini. STARGEAR has sent me a couple of protective cases. I'm going to show you how to put them on and what the benefits of each one of them are. For myself, again, when I'm camping, all I was looking for was a cover. And sure enough, that's one of the things that they had sent me. So here is a silicone cover. It simply wraps around the front of the Starlink, and it's not going to cause any interference as far as visibility to the satellites. So you simply cover each edge, push it around, and you're done. It's nice and thick. It's not going to scratch up, and it's going to keep the face of the Starlink Mini protected along with all of the edges. So you can leave this outside and it can get weathered. There's not an issue. Your Starlink Mini is going to stay safe underneath it. The next case that we're going to look at from STARGEAR is their portable protective case. It comes in three different parts. First is the cover itself for the face of the Starlink Mini. This simply peel and stick, and we'll put that on in a moment. It has the back plate that replaces the stand that's on there right now, and then also has a thick silicone cover that covers the back of the Starlink Mini, and that's what the other silicone cover is missing. So the original one that I put on here does not cover the back, which again, it suits my needs just fine. This one is made for portability. The stand has a handle on the top and it's protective on all sides. All right, let's start putting this together. So first, we're going to take off the cover that we just put on. Again, it's nice and easy. It just folds around the edges. It's reusable later. We'll throw that off to the side. Next, we're going to peel and stick the cover. Again, this is a rigid piece of material here that's just going to stick directly to the face. It's nice and thin, so it keeps the portability portable. Now let's see if I can get this square. There we go. So now we have a nice rigid cover on it, so the gouges won't happen. Next, we'll put on the back piece. Again, just like the front cover I showed you earlier, it just slides around and fits around the edges of the Starlink. There we go. All right, next we have to remove the existing stand from the Starlink Mini and replace it with the one that it came with. So to do that, you have to lift up on the cable protector, this hoop that's here. That releases the two hooks from the Starlink, and you can simply pull back and it'll come out from the Starlink Mini. Next, we're going to replace it with the unit that came in the kit. It simply slides in its place and it will mount in as you put pressure on it. That's it. You heard the click, and now it's good to go. So here we have a handle. It's protected on all sides. You can access underneath to get to your cords, and it's magnetic mounted, so it'll stay there securely. And the last item I haven't mentioned yet is that it comes with a strap. So this strap, again, is intended to carry it around. It has a neat little spring-loaded hook on it. So you connect it into the corners here. We simply put the hook back in and do the same thing for the other side. And that's it. Where would you use this case? There's a few different applications for this. Again, if you're hiking and you just want to take this on the go with you and you don't want to pack this in another bag and have added weight to that, you can pack it just like this, give it to one of the kids, have them carry it in. You can put this over your shoulder, again, because you're going to have other things likely that you're carrying with you. So again, you can just strap it on and go. The other thing that this case offers is, if you notice that there's holes all around, and these are for the do-it-yourself type people, we'll say. And this is for mounting in different positions, anything that you want. So you can put a mount on your quad, on your bike for that matter, on your RV, or make a tripod mount out of this and simply screw it in. That's what these are intended to do. So it gives you options of more versatility with this case. So let's go back to the original question that I had in this video. Do you need to protect your Starlink Mini? In some cases, those comments are correct in saying that the Starlink is just fine the way it is. You don't need to do anything more. And that is for the person who meticulously takes care of their Starlink. They put it out into a nice protected area, often just being a campgrounds or an open field or something like that, and you're not concerned about any debris or anything hitting it. In that case, you're probably fine without any protective case. For myself, I was looking for the silicone front cover. Again, that's where I've experienced my dings and blemishes is on the face of the unit. So this is what I was looking for. Now, for somebody who is going into a little bit more rough scenarios, so if you're taking this in a work truck, you need it for work purposes, you probably want to have something more robust like this, where you're protecting all sides of the unit. You also have the handle and the carrying strap to bring it around. The hiker, where it's exposed all of the time, you just want to, again, strap it over your shoulder and get on the move, and not worrying about damaging the Starlink. This will do that for you. Again, it really depends on your use case. Again, my other case was in the side-by-side, but I took a completely different approach for that, where I mounted it up underneath the roof to protect it from the elements. So again, if you haven't seen that video, check it out. And lastly, I want to thank STARGEAR for sending me these two options. I think both are great products. Each one of them will do their job very well. Again, just covering the front or the entire unit itself. Again, two very different use cases. It's not that one is an upgrade to the other. It's that what is going to fit your style of travel and your needs for your Starlink Mini. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing and checking out my other videos. There might be something of interest to you there, and I have many others coming in the future. So thank you very much, and have yourself a great day.